Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start translating immediately. Open the camera app and point at the text you need. Once done, look for the live text button or the translate overlay. Tap it to activate recognition. Make sure camera and microphone permissions are allowed in settings so the feature can capture and, if needed, speak aloud. If live text doesn't appear, swipe to photo or use the Translate app's camera mode. This gets you into the recognition pipeline fast, so you can see translations in real time. Now focus on accuracy. Set your source language and choose the target language in the on-screen controls so the system knows what to expect. You can use live mode for continuous recognition or tap the shutter to freeze a frame and get a clearer translation. Use the selection cursor to highlight a phrase for precise translation and copy. If you travel or expect poor connectivity, download the offline language pack in the Translate app. That way translations stay fast and reliable without data. Finish by exporting the result. Tap Speak to hear the translation or copy to paste it into messages or notes. If you need back-and-forth translation, switch to conversation mode in the Translate app for continuous two-way speech recognition. To save context, take a photo of the original along with the translated text. If translations look wrong, a quick fix is to change angle, improve lighting, or zoom in for clearer characters. Those adjustments correct OCR errors far more often than settings changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.